Just Eat operates in 12 different markets. We're an online takeaway restaurant essentially, so we've got the restaurant partners and our customer base, and we've been working towards creating a transition from the telephone right through to our mobile app, and we're right through to Alexa now, so back to voice ordering. And it's growing quite significantly. We're up to nearly our 400th millionth order, so we're essentially just growing to the next milestone and implementing the supporting technology to go with that. We've implemented Microsoft Dynamics 365 into the finance areas of the business, including purchase orders and expenses as well. It makes it a lot easier invoicing all our restaurants, so all our restaurants get paid on the same day from the same email address, customised in terms of whether it's dollars or pounds. It's a consistent experience to our restaurant partners, which provides a consistent experience to our end customers. It's increased our speed of invoicing, so that's half the time that we have to be able to invoice our 71,000 restaurant partners. We're trying to standardise that whole process so that it gives us more scalability and more growth. Columbus have been there since day one. They've seen us right through from all our business process change, mapping all of that out, through to the training, user acceptance testing, right through to go live. They've been integral into all of that process. They've flown out to any of the locations that we've needed to go to. They've provided a lot of expertise. They've built a lot of our custom integrations as well. So as well as having the standard product from Microsoft, we've had to develop things like our invoicing integration, which is a business critical system. They've helped us build that as well. From a Columbus perspective, we feel quite special. It doesn't feel like we're working with an implementation partner. They've been part of the daily stand-ups, they're part of the meetings, they form part of the expertise of the team.